When you are exploring self-directed investing platforms, account minimums are often one of the first major hurdles people look into. If you are considering Questrade for your self-directed accounts, the short answer is that there are no minimum account balance requirements to keep your account open. Unlike many traditional brokerages or wealth management services that require you to maintain a specific cash or asset threshold to avoid penalties, Questrade's self-directed platform allows you to open and maintain an account with a $0 balance. Whether you are setting up a tax-free savings account, a registered retirement savings plan, or a standard non-registered cash account, you do not need to worry about being penalized for having a low balance. However, while you do not need a minimum balance to open or keep the account active, it is important to remember that you still need enough capital to purchase the actual assets you want. For instance, individual stocks, exchange-traded funds, or mutual funds have their own share prices, meaning your initial deposit will simply depend on the cost of the specific investments you plan to buy. Additionally, while self-directed accounts do not have balance minimums, automated advisory services like QuestWealth Portfolios do have a minimum starting requirement. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.